Hello and welcome to another video. This is SHIB USD 240-minute chart, and let's see together where is our resistance in next days and what will happen. As you can see, we are in a big triangle here, and I think market can touch another time this line, lower line from this triangle. I think this level is very important and a strong resistance for this chart. If market cannot break this level, we have a bearish trend until here. Okay, let's see 60-minute chart, and we have a beautiful bullish channel here. And if this bullish channel here work, maybe we have a bullish trend until here. But be careful about money management, and don't forget a stop loss here. Anything can happen in market. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe.